So in this question, what we're doing is we're combining 5 electromagnetic waves, and here they all are here, and they all have different phases. So they've all got the same amplitude, just different phases. So what we're looking at is if we were to add all of these phases together at time t equals 0, what we're going to see is we're going to have our first wave here, which is E1, and it's going to have a magnitude of E0. And then we're going to have another one, which is, I'm not sure what these angles are. I'm just this is not to scale. So this is going to be E2, and it's going to have a magnitude of E0. Then we're subtracting 0.61 radians, and this is going to have a magnitude of E0. And then we're plussing 1.54, and then we're subtracting 0.21. This is our 1.54, and this is our negative 0.21, and these all have magnitudes of E0. Okay, so our resultant vector is probably going to look something like this. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is probably just add up all of our horizontal components, add up all of our vertical components, and see what we end up with. So our horizontal components are going to add up as such. So remember, it's going to be, if I draw a little triangle here again, it's going to be cos theta is going to be, so this is d, it's going to be d cos theta, it's going to be d sine theta. Okay, so this is going to be E0, if we're doing our horizontal first, cos 0 plus E0 cos 0.96 plus E0 cos negative 0.61 plus E0 cos 1.54 plus E0 cos negative 0.21. And this is all in radians. So when we do that, we get 3.402. Okay, so that's our horizontal component. Our vertical component is going to be all of this, but the sine of that. Sorry, that should also have an E0 on it. So we have sine 0 plus E0 sine 0.96. (1.037 E0). Okay, so to find out the resultant, it's going to be, remember, the square root of both of those squared. So 3.402 E0 squared plus 1.037 E0 squared. And we get roughly 3.56 E0 for that part. And then to work out our angle, remember, it's going to be the inverse tan of our vertical divided by our horizontal. And you should get something along the lines of 0.296, 3 significant figures. Making sure your calculator's in radians. So therefore, our resultant is going to be 3.56 E0 sine omega t plus 0.296. And that's how you do that question.